Hello students. Hello students. Today I am going to teach you about the atmospheric pressures. Okay. You can see the page number 22. It is on page number 22. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means air pressures. Air also has a force. Air also has a power. Okay. Force. And according to that we have to read now, like atmospheric pressures, it is depends on a factors. So some factors it is there is, okay, which is totally it is depend on their pressure, the force is depends on, like altitudes, temperatures, moistures, contents and ratio of the earth. Now see the altitudes. Altitudes means higher areas, lower areas, like that. Okay, in higher areas means like a mountains areas. Okay, up as much as if we will go up, okay, the air pressure is become less, it is decreases, the pressure is decreased. And when you come down, okay, in lower area, the air pressure it is increased. Air it is increased means air pressure is increased. As we reach higher altitudes, pressure dropped as the air becomes thinner. Why it is air pressure is decreases? Because the air is become thinner. Upper height the air is become thinner, due to that it is the pressure also it is decrease. Okay, when in a lower area, when the we comes in the lower area, in lower side, okay, that time the air pressure is increase because the density of the air is becomes more. Okay, due to that the air pressure is becomes more increased. And now see the next one, it is the temperatures. Pressure is closely related to the temperatures. It is related, it is totally, it is also a dependence on the temperature also. Air pressure is dependent on the temperature also, temperatures of the places. Okay, if temperatures become higher, means if temperature is more, the air expands and rises up. Okay, means if the temperature is more, then air it is rises up, it goes up, the molecules of air thus becomes less. Okay, that the it means that the air pressure is what, the air it is become rise up, is become thin, the molecules of air thus became less density and extract less pressures. Means where the higher temperature is there, the air pressures is less. Okay, and the area where the in regions with lower temperature, means the area where the lower temperatures, okay, in which area the temperature is low, okay, and there the density is, air density is more, means air pressure is more. Okay, increase. Understand? All it is very simple, that the in altitudes, if there is in higher area, height of the area, the due to the air thinner, due to the less air, the air pressures also became less. Okay, it is less. When it is comes down, the air pressure is more. In lower area the air pressure is more. And in the temperatures, in which area, according to the area, according to the places, in which places temperature is more, more, it means the air pressure is less, there is air pressure is less. Okay, and where the temperature is less, means cool temperatures, okay, cool temperature, in that area, okay, that area the density of the air is more, air pressure is more. Okay, and now the next is the rotations. There is given here is, okay, moisture contents and the rotations of the earth. Rotations of the earth also it is affected to the air pressures. Okay, the rotations of the earth it is deflects winds and other causes them to, other causes play up to form higher pressure zones. Okay, when it is goes higher, subtropicals, higher pressures, okay, there, and sectors them to form lower pressures, subpolar low pressure zone. Low pressure is usually associated with the unsettled, as sometimes stormy weather as it's caused, okay, due to the wind, okay, due to the rotations of the earth, okay, it is deflect the wind, it is affect the wind, okay. And the low pressure is usually associated with the unsettled and sometimes stormy due to the pressures, low pressures, okay. Sometimes stormy weathers also is occur as it causes inflow of winds from surroundings and high pressures areas. And on the other hand, calm and fair weather is accepted in high pressure zones as the cooler air sinks and gets compressed, okay. And now for today is only this much, and tomorrow we will start again wind, okay.